just you and I, perfectly alone. Darling,
Aimée and Johnson, I cannot believe we're standing here today in this magical place. It all started when we decided to give our friendship a chance after bumping into each other all the time. You become one of my closest friends. I know that isn't saying much, as I don't have many friends. And soon after that, you became the person I never could be without.
Like the summer sun, distracting me from everyone and the things I fear the most.
5 years ago, if you would have told me I was going to be getting married in Iceland to a woman, surrounded by the gods on the day of Freya, I would have turned around to see who you were talking to. And this I never saw coming. You I never saw coming. But since the day we got together, I knew you were the one. I think 5 days after we got together, you asked me what an acceptable time to wait was to get married.